You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is z equals -1/5. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the z. Divide both sides by -5. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is z equals -1/5.